Taurus, hi. Welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys from 16 April to April 30. So let's see what is going on with you, Taurus. The moon is in Libra, so yeah, that is your natural house. Venus. Venus is also your ruler, Taurus. So let's see what is coming for you for the next half of April. Six of Swords. So you are moving forward, yeah, very nicely, smooth sailing. Beautiful. Okay. So, Taurus. In your recent past, you have Nine of Cups, Patience, and the World card. Current energy, Chariot, Eight of Cups, and the King of Swords. And in the immediate future, you have Nine of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. So we have a pair here, King and Queen of Swords. Some of you are dealing with a soulmate, or it's a very power couple situation going on. And in your recent past, I'm seeing that you are very happy with this Nine of Cups energy. Someone, you think that the person is your wish fulfillment, and then something happened with this Patience card. Universe has tested you in a way, and the chapter has ended with your partner, with the World card present here. You and your partner have ended some kind of chapter, and this is a new beginning for some of you. In your current energy, Chariot, Eight of Cups, and the King of Swords. You want to move forward towards your life, towards your goals. You want to achieve some kind of passionate goals for you, and yeah, the person feeling very emotionally unfulfilled because you are not there with them, and they are feeling alone because you walked away from their life because of the push of the universe, and now you have become a very determined person and very uh, cold Taurus, yeah, cold person, very detached from them. You don't want to talk to them, and if there is any kind of communication, that is a little bit and very cold and very emotionless, yeah. Immediate future, Nine of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. So you are very cold, and if there is no any kind of long-term situation serving you, and the person or the things or the situation doesn't serve you, you will cut them out. And the person is feeling very sad with this Nine of Swords present here. They can't sleep, they are making some kind of plans and thinking about the situation and overthinking and then rethinking and thinking. That's why they are very sad and they can't sleep at night. But you want to move forward smoothly and steadily, yeah. That's why you just don't want to deal with any kind of BS right now, because you have experienced so many hardships, because this is not the good time. Like, you have gone through so much in your past. That's why now you are moving forward smoothly, and that's why you are working on yourself as well. With this Patience card, you are working on yourself and you are making a contact with your higher self, with your higher energy, spirit guides. Let's see, why is the Eight of Cups are here for the Taurus? Seven of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. Yeah, Taurus, now you have decided that you will never invest your time so much in any kind of work where you're not seeing any growth for yourself. If there is any kind of situation, you will end that, because you want growth and you want collaboration from both sides and both parties, you and your partner. And that's why, if there is nothing equal give and take and no anything balanced, then you will cut them out and you will end that investment or end that relationship or partnership maybe. Let's see, why is the Six of Swords are here for Taurus people? Why is the Six of Swords are here? Ten of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Yeah, after ended those burden of the past, you will get your worth. You will become a very talented person, very independent and confident person. Now you know that you have so many talents and you can do without anyone else, and you can do on your own self. Yeah, because you have trust yourself within. That's why you are going great. You're doing great work on yourself. That's why love offers are coming your way with this Knight of Cups present here. Someone wants to come towards you with their cup of love, and they want long-term relationship with this Ace of Pentacles here. This is a new long-term like offer of long-term partnership. Okay, this must be a project of like work project, or some, for some of you it's a relationship, okay, of some kind. So let's see, why is the world here? Why is the world here for Taurus? Page of Cups, Page of Cups, yeah, a Page of Swords, Five of Cups, and the King of Wands. So yeah, someone is watching you from afar and they are feeling very sad because you are not paying attention on them. Like if they are some kind of social media, you have account and they are watching you from afar and they are liking your pictures and giving you any comments and something like that, sending you comments, but you are not paying any attention towards them. That's why they are feeling sad with this Five of Cups present here, Taurus. And but you are passionate towards your goals. Yeah, they can see you a very attracted person and they are attracted to you. You're a very attractive person in the society or in the group of some people. Yeah, let's see, why is this Chariot here? Why is the Chariot here for Taurus? Five of Wands, Knight of Wands, Emperor. Okay, so yeah, that's the reason, because you want to move away from that person because they have big ego with this Emperor card present here, and they were always fighting with you and conflicted and arguments. Yeah, and they just want intimacy with you. They don't want any kind of partnership or relationship with you. And the past person, it is a past person and they have big ego. They are not compromising their pride. They are very arrogant and they have make you stuck with them for a long time. That's why now you want to run away from them and you want to move forward, which is good. Let's see, why is this Queen of Swords is here in the immediate future for the Taurus people. Queen of Swords, Eight of Swords, Three of Cups, Empress. Okay, Emperor and Empress. So for some of you it is your divine counterpart. Yeah, with this Emperor and Empress present here, and they want reconciliation with you, but they are just stuck in their mind with this Eight of Swords present here. They are continuously stuck in their mind. They don't want to compromise their ego, but they have to. And they want communication as well with you. That's why they can't sleep, because if they initiate the communication, they think they will lose in that situation. And yeah, they will lose the game or something like that. This is their thinking about you. That's why they want you to initiate the communication, but you are very concentrated and very determined towards your goals. You don't want to deal with them. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, but on their own terms, which is not good. They have to change their mindset. They have to compromise their ego. Let's have an advice for you, Taurus. Advice for the Taurus people from the universe. Six of Cups, King of Pentacles, transformation. Okay, universe is telling you that don't be sad because your soulmate is coming towards you and you will be stable very soon. Just transform a little bit more, grow yourself a little bit more so that you can have all these blessings and beautiful things coming your way, because you have so much beautiful in your plate right now. Okay, and universe has planned a very beautiful future life for you. Just pay attention toward yourself right now. Okay, so yeah, this is very beautiful reading for you, Taurus. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. So Taurus, bye.